Are you looking for a fun diffuser blend for this summer?
We've got a great one for you that has flowery smells and spicy smells that blend together to make a wonderful diffuser blend.
Flowers and spice and everything nice.
You got it. All right, for this recipe, we'll need 1 drop of bay, 1 drop of lemongrass, 2 drops of Happy Joy, and 1 drop of Cajeput Essential Oil. You'll want to add a little bit of water to your diffuser so it'll diffuse. We're gonna do that now.
All right, so here we go. 1 drop of bay, 1 drop of lemongrass.
So far it's kind of spicy, and now it's gonna add a kind of a fruity aroma.
Yeah, it smells nice. 1 drop of Happy Joy.
2 drops.
2 drops, sorry.
That adds more of the floral aroma,
1 drop of Cajeput.
which adds a little bit more spice. Once your diffuser blend is ready, go ahead and diffuse it in an open room like this one. You'll not want to diffuse this one around kids because some of these oils in here aren't kid friendly, but it does smell nice.
To find out about more recipes just like this and more, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
And go and make your home more natural.
Bye!